Hello everyone, today we have a very special guest, Mr. Ayush Kumar Jha, on our channel, The Evolving Journal. So Ayush has been my roommate for the past 3 years, my roommate, my colleague, and now he's going to be an assistant manager, marketing at the Realtel Corporation of India, which is a public sector undertaking. So heartiest congratulations to you Ayush on your selection.
Thank you.
So I would like you to guide our budding MBA graduates. So Ayush, to begin with, could you briefly explain the exam that you appear for this particular job?
Okay. So Amit, basically I will be joining Realtel Corporation of India, which is a Navratna Central Public Sector undertaking. It comes under Ministry of Railways, and I will be joining as Assistant Manager Marketing because I hold a specialization in MBA Marketing. So talking about the examination, it had a different recruitment exam, and was lucky enough that the vacancy that they asked for MBA graduates. So I was one of the candidates who got selected for that post.
So Ayush, can you throw some light on the role that you will be taking as the assistant manager at the Realtel?
Okay. So basically, as I already mentioned, I will be looking for the marketing department. My basic work would be client acquisition and to explain about all the products and services by Realtel. So basically, Realtel is a digital infrastructure provider, one of the great players in optic fibers, and it is doing excellent in terms of its performance from the past few years.
So can you please share something about your educational background and your professional experience which has made you eligible for this particular role?
Sure. See, talking about my educational background, it hasn't been any linear. First of all, I'm a B.Pharm graduate from the esteemed Jamia Hamdard, New Delhi. Then I did my MBA with specialization in marketing from the renowned FMS BHU, and I got placed at the IT sector, one of the famous MNC in India, that is Infosys. And currently, I will be joining as assistant manager in Realtel Corporation of India.
Ayush, was this your first attempt at a PSU exam? And can you tell us something about the exam pattern and what kind of exams and interview that you gave?
Sure. See, कोई भी एग्ज़ाम हो, चाहे वो 10वीं लेवल हो या 12वीं लेवल हो या ग्रेजुएट पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन, एक दिन का प्रोसेस तो नहीं रहता है. It's definitely a huge set of process and the number of days it takes. So this is definitely not my first exam. Rather, I would say it is one of my most focused attempt. So number of attempts doesn't matter. The focused attempts matter. So, and I gave many examinations all through the way. After graduation itself, I started going for a different examination. I gave RRP and TPC. Even I gave IBPS SO, and this was a most focused attempt, I would say.
So Ayush, usually MBA graduates go after MBA go for the corporate role for a higher pay, for a better career prospect. And here at Infosys also you are earning recently and you have a good future ahead. So why you have decided to switch from this particular role to a PSU role?
सी डेफिनेटली आजकल जानते ही हैं कि मिडिल क्लास के माता पिता को जब तक सरकारी नौकरी ना हो, चाहे अब लाखों करोड़ों क्यों ना कमाए, वो रिलैक्स स्टेज पे नहीं रहते हैं. सो हाँ, जोक्स अपार्ट, Infosys is definitely a great organization, and getting placed there has a great enriching experience for me. Yeah, Infosys is paying me great and a handsome salary, and it also had a wide career growth opportunities. But this answer doesn't need explanation why I went for government job. It all depends on the temperament and the satisfaction that you need in life. If someone wishes for lakhs and crores, fast growth, then he may stick into corporate. And even I would like to add, gone that days that only corporate pay you well. Even many PSUs and government have the capability to pay you. It depends on your capabilities, your performance. So overall job security and satisfaction, long-term relationship I can build in Realtel. So I'm going for that.
Talking about your current job, this particular job at Infosys, the associate consultant role, it is a demanding job. So how did you manage your preparation along with your professional obligations?
Sure, definitely. It was a challenging phase, as you were also my roommate during my Infosys journey. At that time, we had our training, a rigorous training. We all know that we go through a rigorous training in SAP. But as there is a quote that if there is a way, there is definitely a will. So it was all the determination, a planned approach. I managed my time well, a consistent revision, and to few extent some sacrifices also matters. So yeah, it was all depend on the time management basically, I would say. So that thing.
So I can see there were only 5 vacancies for UR candidates.
Yeah.
So where did that confidence, where did that confidence, you got that confidence to
Okay.
appear in that exam and that self belief? So can you throw some light on that also?
श्योर है मैं. देखिए सच बताऊं, सीट 1 होती तो भी वैसे ही पढ़ता, सीट 10 या 100 होती तो भी वैसे ही पढ़ता. And talking about the confidence, all the preparation, different mock test, examination, the conceptual depth that I hold in marketing was very much needful in that examination. And by God grace, Almighty's plan, it clicked and I got it. Basically, yeah, that thing, the consistency and disciplined approach helped me in this journey.
Do you think you are well settled now or you will keep pushing forward?
देखिए सेटलमेंट तो ऐसा जब तक इंसान इस दुनिया से चला ना जाए तब तक तो वो एक मुर्दों की ही होती है, रुक जाना वहीं पे. सो टॉकिंग अबाउट द डेवलपमेंट, तो वो तो चलता रहेगा. लाइफ लॉन्ग ग्रोथ इज़ अ पार्ट ऑफ योर लाइफ जर्नी. या बट माई करेंट गोल वुड बी टू बेसिकली prove my worth to the chair that I will be sitting ahead, to the role that I will be taking. Yeah, in terms of my professional or personal growth and development, I will be striving for more success. I will giving many more attempts or different examination that is suitable to me, and if I am worthy enough, I think I will achieve that.
So as this initiative is to guide the young graduates to move ahead in their career. So any piece of advice you would like to give them?
Okay, a great piece of advice that one of my senior gave to me, I would like to pass on to our coming juniors or MBA graduates or anyone. It is applicable to everyone. Don't get fooled by chasing everything at a single time. आप पैसा भी कमा लो, आपको सरकारी नौकरी भी चाहिए, आप enjoyment भी कर लो. That is little bit tough. So first of all, go step by step. पहले आप ये कर लो. Make your to-do list or target list. पहले मुझे ये करना है, फिर step by step. So this is the greatest piece of advice that I follow. It's step by step. As you already know, we got placed at Infosys. So our next target was, we landed up in great MNC. The next target was to jump and to get in a government job or PSU job. So go step by step and don't worry for the mistakes, because mistakes are definitely a part of life. Unless and until you don't do mistake means you haven't started. So don't worry for the mistake. Take the risk. But yeah, have a backup plan, because it's very necessary. I don't say bluntly that don't go for a backup plan. Have a backup plan. Go for that, because there is a very thin line of margin between unemployment and a government job. This is a very thin line. So first of all, be independent. Try to be, after MBA basically it's a professional degree. Try to be financially independent, and then you can take risk in life. Go ahead with your future, and whatever you wish to, you can achieve that.
So Ayush, before we conclude, I'd just like to say that there are a lot of people who play small roles in our success.
Definitely.
In our story. So whom would you like to create for this particular success of yours?
देखिए रिजल्ट में तो नाम सिर्फ बच्चे का आता है, कैंडिडेट का, बट इसके पीछे दुआएं और बहुत सारी चीज़ें बहुत ही लोगों का होता है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल थैंकफुल टू यू, माय रूममेट, द टेम्परामेंट दैट वी गॉट इन द कॉलेज, द एटमोस्फियर, एंड युगल, वन ऑफ माय फर्स्ट फ्रेंड,
And Ritik also.
so basically that was very much important for me. And the wonderful ladies in my life, my mummy, my mausis, and all from different maternal paternal side has been excellent supporter throughout this journey. My father has been excellent guide and mentor along this journey, and a special mention, one of my beautiful friends. She has been a phenomenal, she has been a great supporter, so all praises to her.
Okay, so I think it's time to conclude now. Heartiest congratulations to you again for your
Thank you,
future
thank
ahead.
you, thanks.
I wish you luck and I wish you success in your future. And I would like to thank Harshul, who has been a
Thank
great
you,
friend,
thank you.
who has been a very supportive friend for us. And now I would like to request you all to like, share and subscribe our channel, The Evolving Journal, where we will be motivating you all and showing you the way how to succeed post your MBA. Thank you so much.